Guys, guess what I just discovered in Excel? There's something called Protect Sheet.
Protect Sheet? Are we now protecting Excel like we're protecting national secrets? What's next, a password for my plantain chips?
Don't laugh, Bola. Protect Sheet is serious business. It's how you save your work from Excel pirates. You know, those colleagues who enter figures like they're typing with their eyes closed.
Exactly! I spent 2 days making a perfect sales report. Next thing I know, Kenneth enters curry into the profit column.
Curry? What was he trying to calculate? A recipe for jollof rice?
You see why Protect Sheet is essential? With it, you can lock down all the important parts, so Kenneth can only mess with the cells that are Kenneth-proof.
Chinadu, does it send a shock through the keyboard if someone tries to delete my formula?
No, but that would be a great upgrade. It prevents anyone from changing certain parts without the password. It is like a gatekeeper for cells.
So it's like installing burglar bars on your Excel sheet.
Exactly. And in this office, those burglar bars are necessary. Protect Sheet is like saying, "Thou shalt not mess with my calculations." It's also a way to ensure your financial figures are not altered behind your back. Imagine typing 1,000 naira, only to be asked to explain how it changed to 40,000.
I like it. I can finally stop putting "do not touch" in bold red letters everywhere.
Just remember not to lose the password, oh. You don't want to be like Mr. Paul last week, who locked his own sheet and forgot the code. He ended up begging IT like he was looking for a loan.
I remember that. Okay, Protect Sheet it is. But I'll set my password to something easy, like Hollof 123.
Better hope nobody tries to guess it. In this office, everyone's hungry enough to try Jollof 123 first.
Protect Sheet or not, I'm just glad we're still getting paid to protect spreadsheets.
Welcome to Nigeria, where even spreadsheets need protection. Learn to preserve your work. Protect it.